Hi, class. This is my introduction video to Sociology 1010, which is the basically the introductory sociology course that kind of touches on all topics, but for a very short period of time. Okay, if you've not taken sociology classes before or a sociology class before, you get to talk about everything in the world, okay? Because that's what sociology, the study is, right? Is how people interact with their environment, okay? So we will talk about things like politics and the economy, but also sexuality, gender, okay? Religion, education, you name it. It's like we get to talk about every single thing on the planet. Although, as I said, in this course, we don't get to delve into any one thing very deeply. Okay, so what I would like you to do is to remember that this course requires you. Okay, it requires you to do a bit of reading. You have to stay up in your reading. I will also have you viewing videos. Okay, you have to do discussion posts, and you have to do essays also, depending on the topic. You know what I mean? What we're covering, and so it does require you to stay on task, okay, and to keep track of the deadlines during the week. Okay, what days things are due. So you need to pay attention to those deadlines because you'll be marked down. If you miss if it's supposed to be posted by Wednesday and you don't post it until Thursday, you're going to lose some points. The other thing is that the reason that you want to stick to those deadlines is, of course, if everybody waited till the end of the week, right, to post something on the discussion forum, then nobody would have a chance to respond to those discussion posts. So you have to do your initial post by midweek, and then that way you have to Saturday to respond to your other classmates. All right. So again, remember, this is a sociology class, which is about people interacting with other people. So is it easy to do online? It does present certain problems, but I think we're able to do it. I've had some very successful online courses, and the students enjoy the topics that we cover. And some of them are more controversial than others, and I expect that some of them will get you going, maybe even tick you off. I don't know. But this is why we do it, okay? Because in this class, we are all sociologists where we're here, okay? And we try to look at the world from that perspective and from an objective perspective, not from our own place, our own biases, but in a more general term, you look at things and you try to see them, right, from a very unbiased perspective, okay, which is challenging but fun. All right, so I think you should enjoy this course. I would like you to, after you have finished watching this, I'd like you to go into the very first task this week, which is under a discussion forum where you're going to create a short video like this. Okay, I just use my iPhone here to record myself, and I would like you to do a short introductory video. You will read about the information, in that assignment, and I will tell you that from my point of view, okay, as an instructor, why am I teaching sociology? Do I know all the answers? No. Do I know a lot of stuff? I do. I know a little bit of stuff about a lot of things, and in some areas I know a lot of stuff about a few things. Okay, but my background is quite varied. I didn't come to being a professor until 2009. Okay, when I got my master's degree. So I have not been doing teaching like this my whole life, and my background is really more in sexuality education, and I worked for many years, over 15 years, doing HIV education, okay? So that's my background. And because of that work, I began a small nonprofit organization, which we'll learn more about this semester, that works with women and girls who are dealing with HIV infection, but also other health and life challenges. Okay, so that's something about me that you probably wouldn't know unless you, well, Googled me, and then you would see that up there. So that is that is the intro for the course. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any questions or concerns, you need to contact me ASAP. Okay, because if I don't know that there's a problem, for you or an issue, I can't assist you at all. Okay? So thank you very much, and I look forward to meeting all of you in your introduction videos.